Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
How do you feel today? How do you feel today?
I feel good. I feel good.
Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well?
No, I didn't sleep well. No, I didn't sleep well.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
I was very sick last night. I was very sick last night.
Did you visit the doctor? Did you visit the doctor?
Yes, I visited the doctor. Yes, I visited the doctor.
Will you work today? Will you work today?
Yes, I will work today. Yes, I will work today.
What time will you start? What time will you start?
I will start now. I will start now.
Are you a farmer? Are you a farmer?
Yes, I am a farmer. Yes, I am a farmer.
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job. Yes, I like my job.
How many brothers do you have? How many brothers do you have?
I have just one brother. I have just one brother.
Is he a farmer? Is he a farmer?
No, he is not a farmer. No, he is not a farmer.
What is his job? What is his job?
He is a taxi driver. He is a taxi driver.
Do you live with your parents? Do you live with your parents?
No, I don't live with my parents. No, I don't live with my parents.
Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling. Yes, I like traveling.
Happy to see you. Happy to see you.
Thank you. Thank you, Fulumi bro.